Assalamualaikum. This 3-minute presentation will summarize all the detail in my assignment about Al-Khwarizmi. Brief biography. His full name is Abu Abdullah Muhammad ibn Musa Al-Khwarizmi. He lived in 9th century. Under the patronage of Caliph Al-Ma'mun, he was appointed as the head of Astronomy Research Bureau, and he is also called the father of algebra. Contribution in mathematics. Al-Khwarizmi work on arithmetic can be traced back in his book called The Book of Addition and Subtraction by the Method of Calculation of the Hindus. In his book, he introduced the Hindu Arabic numerals and he presented the place value system, where from the example, as you can see from the left hand side, the number 1 represents the group of 100, the number 2 group of tens, and the number 0 group of ones. Besides, he also explained the use of zero in writing the number in mathematics and demonstrated the basic operation such as the use of bracket that indicate the multiplication, and he introduced the fraction and decimal system. Economic application of arithmetic. The place value system introduced by Al-Khwarizmi can be used to determine the value of numbers from the data that we have collected. For example, the GDP in 2013 can be interpreted as 324 billions, and the use of fraction can be used to derive the values from any other values. For example, from 1/5 of given reserve ratio, we can know that the value of money multiplier is equal to 5, since the money multiplier is the reciprocal of the reserve ratio. And decimal system is widely used in the data that using indexes numbers and to come up with different interpretation of the data. The use of bracket in multiplication also we can see in the formula of elasticity of demand. In algebra, the two most important terms that Al-Khwarizmi introduced is Al-Jabar and Al-Muqabalah. Al-Jabar refers to the process of removing negative terms from an equation, and Al-Muqabalah refers to the process of reducing positive terms of the same power when they occur on both sides of the equation. Besides, he also introduced new terms in algebra such as x for variable, x squared for square of variables, and c for constant. Economic application of algebra. The concept of aljabar and al-muqabalah is widely used to analyze and derive the equation. For example, if we are given the equation of demand and supply, we can equate these equations and find the equilibrium price and quantity. Next, the new term introduced by Al-Khwarizmi also is widely used in variables in the economic equation, such as we can see the use of variable and square of a variable in the average cost and marginal cost curve. That's all from me. Thank you.